A cookware warning sounds terrifying when Marina as it gets reduced to one sentence on social media. So let us be precise. In August of 2025, the United States Food and Drug Administration warned consumers not to use certain imported cookware that testing found could leach significant levels of lead into food. The products included some cookware made from aluminum, brass, and aluminum alloys sold under names such as Hindalium, Hindolium, Indalium, or Indolium. This was not a statement that every aluminum pan in every kitchen contains lead. It was a warning tied to specific products and test findings. Start with the FDA alert itself. Compare the product names, manufacturer or distributor, country information, photographs, and any identifying marks with the cookware you own.
Do not rely on color alone. Two silver-colored pots can have completely different alloys and manufacturing histories.
If your cookware matches the alert, the FDA says not to use it for cooking or food storage and not to donate or refurbish it. Throwing it away prevents the same item from moving into another household.
If a pot is unmarked and you genuinely cannot identify it, especially an older imported piece with unknown alloy or repair history, do not guess from a magnet test or a home swab that was not designed for cookware.
Contact your local or state health department for guidance or replace the uncertain item with cookware from a traceable manufacturer when that is practical. If you are worried about exposure, speak with a healthcare professional rather than trying to diagnose it from symptoms online. For future purchases, keep the box or receipt long enough to record the brand and model. Look for clear manufacturer information and care instructions. A food safety alert should lead to a specific check and a proportionate action. It should not become a reason to fear an entire material category that the alert did not condemn.